If I had to describe the value to finance at my company on why Abode is so great, I could simply just put it's one less person they have to hire because they do so much work for us. It really could be a full-time position at our company on our team. Hi, my name is Haley Breen. I am the campus recruiting manager at Echo Global Logistics. Before using Abode, we had tried various different platforms, but we saw a lot of not as much engagement in those platforms. I really wasn't able to track if the students were reading the information, if they were following up and completing some tasks. But with Abode, I'm able to get analytics very quickly on all of those things. Abode really does a lot of that work for me that was manual prior, so that I don't have to spend my time doing that. Now we have all of our interns that use Abode. Our ambassadors are included in this program, and then we're hoping next year to be able to add all of our new hires and early talent into the program as well. The goal of our internship program is to convert students to full-time hire. So being able to track through the data and analytics in Abode, what things are successful, what things are working for the students, has really helped us improve not only our program, but our preparation for the program. Abode really allows us to measure the success of the program through the eyes of the intern. The interns all said at the end of the summer that it was way, way, way more helpful and beneficial in that month that they had Abode than it was the entire months from the fall prior to them. It feels like Abode is a member of the Echo campus recruiting team, and I just really am thankful that we have them.